Hello and welcome to today's tutorial in the CapCut editing series that we are. So today is day 3 and today we are going to basically talk about how to trim and split our clips in CapCut. So that is what we are going to talk about. And then today we are covering one of the most essential skill in CapCut. Trimming and splitting of videos is very, very important because that is where you can cut all your so that if they are too much in video, this is the place that you are going to cross them. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the phone and continue the editing. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So we are back in my phone now, and I'm sure if you have been following up, you will have already downloaded CapCut on your phone. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to tap on it to open the CapCut, and once you open your CapCut, this is what you are going to see. And then what you are going to do is you tap on new project, and then let's choose a video. Okay, so I'll choose this video. So this is the video I'm going to be using mostly for this tutorial, except if there is another one, then I can now change it. Okay, so now we have brought it out. It is already in the preview. Then this is timeline, this is the toolbar. So what we are going to do, if you want to trim your video, you have different options. First option that to trim it is just tap on the video. Once you tap on the video there, that is the clip of your video, then you will see that this white thing will pop up here. So once this white thing pop up, that is the place that you can trim. You can drag it like this. You see, once you are dragging it, it's shortening the length of the video. If you check here, you see that it's 1 minute 5 seconds. If you still drag it again, you see that is how to drag. You can drag forward, you can drag backward, the way as you want it. So that is how to trim your video. The other way to trim it is to split the video and delete the position that you do not want. So how do you do it? Let's assume in, for example, I want to remove this place. Okay, as you can see in this place, I am talking, I'm not ready, I'm still preparing, and I want to remove it. Then what do? You drag it to the place that you start talking, this place that your mouth starts opening. Okay, so you see, I'm ready to talk here. What do? You must tap on the video before you can see this split. Example, let's say I did not tap on it. What I will be seeing is edit, audio, text, overlay, and those things. But once you tap on it, another menu will come out for you. Okay, that is where the editing is starting from. Then we want to split. What do? This is split here. You just tap on split down here, split. You see, the clip has been divided into two. Once you see this type of white here, it means the clip has been divided into two. And once the clip are divided into two, that it lets you to edit a particular part without affecting the other. Okay, that is what it does. And then in case if you make mistake, maybe let me assume I tap on this, I want to trim it, I now listen to it again. So I've over trim it. What do? You undo it. So where is the undo button? So this, you can see these two curves here. This is undo, this is redo. The one that is active is undo. The one that is inactive is redo. You will see that if I tap on that undo, the redo will be active. So I'll tap on it. Can't you see? The redo will be active. So practice these tools. You will have a clean, professional and editing in no time. I don't know, editing is not going to be your option or your voice again. You will learn that, yes, I've started knowing the basic how to edit my video by myself without worrying myself. And you can always come back and check this series. Okay, so thank you for watching. My name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. See you in day 3.